Do you guys remember that item I said that I was going to review like 4 months ago when I got it in the mail? If you don't, here it is. The Goxlr Mini official review here on this channel. Let's check it out. So let me first start off by saying that I am not an audiophile or whatever the heck you want to call it in any sense of the term or the word. I'm literally just a guy who just wants my microphone to sound okay, right? So I think the Goxlr Mini is probably the best bang for your buck when it comes to that. Priced at about $250 when it's not on sale. This will give you everything you need. So I'm currently using the Shure SM7B, which is a dynamic microphone that requires a lot of power. And I had to use a cloud lifter beforehand when I had just a regular mixer. This microphone right here is a great sounding microphone if you can get it to sound right. But it's really hard to without a preamp or a cloud lifter. Everything's really quiet and muffled. But then when I try to crank the gain up, it would clip really bad. Now, I have it set up just perfectly with a lot of practice, a lot of tinkering on this Goxlr Mini. I got it sounding about right. Now, this device has default mic, music, chat, and system at the top for the different sliders. But you can literally set that to anything you want to. You can customize it and set it to whatever you'd like to. On the bigger model, it has electronic sliders where it kind of does it for you, and you can just select it, and it'll move it and stuff, but they took that out to save a little bit of money, I guess. So that is manual sliders, but they're really, really comfortable, and they're super easy to slide up and down. The great thing about this Goxlr Mini is also it has a headphone jack to the front. So you can literally just plug your headphones and monitor your headphones and game and chat and Discord and everything, your music, everything you want to, right from the Goxlr Mini. It has a little opening down at the bottom underneath where you can feed your wires through if you need to run the lines through the back of the Goxlr Mini, which is great. Now this thing comes with Midas preamps, which I'm not really sure what that is, but apparently they're really good. Before I got this Goxlr Mini, I needed it to have like a cloud lifter for the Shure SM7B, but now with the Midas preamps built inside of the Goxlr Mini, I don't need them anymore. You don't need a preamp for this. It's literally plugged directly into the Goxlr Mini and USB'd out to my computer. So real quickly, I'm going to show you what this thing can do and what all it entails. I'm going to move over to the application and show you the software real fast. All right, as you can see, I got everything kind of cranked all the way up. So the first thing you would do when you're going to set this thing up is you go into the mic, right? So mic setup. This is a dynamic mic. As you can see, that my voice got a lot lower because it took everything out. I would set it to dynamic mic. Considering this is a Shure SM7B and it needs a lot of gain, I cranked this bad boy up to 60. I don't know if that's a good idea. I really don't know. But all I know is this is the sound I'm getting, and this is the sound that I kind of like on my stream. Now that we're back to this, I usually set, these are the different mixers here, right? So here's my mic. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit of what this is here for me. The threshold, I have that down to 42. And I have this attenuation all the way up to 90 because I kind of want it to cut out most of the stuff, right? When I stop talking. Like you can't hear the air conditioner in the back. You can't hear my computer in the background when I stop talking. The attack, I set it to 10. Release, I set it to 300. This is your equalizer here. Your equalizer, I kind of set it a little bit like a U almost. I'm not sure if that's a great thing, but I played around with it until I got the right sound I wanted. As you can see, these are the numbers at the top. You can literally enable fine tune, which I suggest doing, and maybe taking a note of these numbers here: 90 hertz, 250 hertz, 352 hertz, 2.0K hertz, 4K hertz, 8K hertz, and then I mess around with it from there, and you can find what you like. Also, right under here, the compressor. This is also very important. I have this set to 20 dBs for the threshold. The ratio is at 4:1. Attack is at 5. Release is at 170. And the makeup gain, I bumped it up to 9 dBs of makeup gain. Another really cool thing about this item is that you can literally customize the colors any way you want as well. So, for example, I want to gradient this, right? So let's go to our faders. Let's gradient them, okay? I want to take that bottom color. I want to make that bottom color like a purple. That's channel 1, right? You can apply to all if you wanted to. There we go. You can literally change it to all. As you can see here, it's changed on the thing. I like the blue. I like the purple. Obviously, you can see that X in the middle of the Goxlr is also is like a global. So I'm gonna make that a blue because I enjoy the blue colors here. A deep blue. There we go. That's the accent. Here's the global. This is your mutes and everything like that, right? And you could change your cough and your bleep button, which I don't know if I've showed you this, but there is a bleep button here. It makes a bleeping sound, and then if you have to cough, you can literally just mute yourself, which is a fantastic thing, especially if you have a cough. That bleeps are red. Let's make the cough. Let's make the cough a green. That dim color, if you mute yourself, it'll turn green. So green on the good end, and then red on the bad end. There we go. Perfect. The bleep. Let's make that a blue actually, and let's make this a red. Boom. There we go. The colors aren't showing up great on the old Logitech, but we'll look at it some more. This is you can hold or toggle, right? I like the hold, and then you have a meter that you can literally see right there as well. I like the blues and I like the purples. So we kind of got that the way we want it. I like these mutes, but I want these mutes to be testing, but I want that opposite. See what we got here? We got that as a red. Let's make this a blue. And let's make this a red. That's perfect. That's exactly what I want. I'm going to apply this to all. Boom. Okay. So as you can see, there's a lot of different color options here. They did some updates here, so I had to redo everything. It takes a little bit of time to get it the way you want it. So all in all, do I recommend the Goxlr Mini? Yes, absolutely I do. It's $250. It's probably the best item you could buy as a streamer for your audio. It doesn't matter what kind of microphone you have. You could use a USB, you could use an XLR mic. It doesn't matter. It's going to make it sound crispy. You can play with the settings. Try my settings out if you'd like to. I absolutely 100%, 10 out of 10 recommend. Thank you guys all for watching. I really appreciate you watching this review on the Goxlr Mini. I really appreciate it. I hope you come back. Make sure you hit that like button if it helped you out any. Type in the comments, hey, what the heck kind of microphone are you using and what kind of mixer are you using if you're using any of them. Also tell me in the comments what kind of settings you're using for your Goxlr. I'm always interested to try different ones, new ones. So like I said, I really appreciate you guys. Have a fantastic day. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, turn it on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah.